Hello everyone, welcome to premiermath. In this series, we are discussing CGL mains questions from previous years. We'll be solving all these questions using speed matrix. So, let's start our session. Our first question is,
let PQRS be positive natural numbers having three exact factors including 1 and number itself. If Q greater than P and both are 2-digit numbers and R greater than S and both are 1-digit number, then the value of the given expression is. Here, we already know prime numbers have two factors. That is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. But here there are three exact factors, which means we need one more factor to it. So if you take the square of this prime number, you can add one more factor to it. That is 1, the number and the square of this number are factors. So we got three exact factors, which means here PQRS are square of prime numbers. Now here there are two conditions. First condition is Q greater than P. Q greater than P and Q and P are 2-digit numbers, which means only two numbers are possible, 5 square and 7 square. So here 7 square is greater than 5 square. 7 square is greater than 5 square. That is 49 greater than 25. 5 square factors are 1, 5 and 5 square. And 7 square factors are 1, 7 and 7 square is 49. So condition satisfied. Second condition is R greater than S and both are 1-digit number. Both are 1-digit numbers means only two numbers are possible. That is 3 square and 2 square. 5 square is 25, not possible. 2-digit number. 5 square is 2-digit number. So only two numbers are. That is 3 square and 2 square are possible. Here R greater than S means 3 square is greater than 2 square. Factors of 2 square are 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 3 square are 1, 3 and 3 square. That is 9. Now 9 greater than 4 here. So here Q and P are 49 and 25. So P is 25, Q is 49 and here R and S are 9 and 4. So R is 9 and S is 4. So apply the value in this expression. Here P minus Q minus 1 means 25 minus 49 minus 1. R minus S means 9 minus 4. Now value of this expression is equal to 25 minus 50 is minus 25 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5 goes 5 times in 25. So minus 5 is your answer in this given expression. If you put the values PQRS, minus 5 is your answer. Now check with the option. Here minus S minus 1 means S is equal to 4 here. So minus 4 minus 1 will give you minus 5. So this can be our answer. S minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1, not our answer. 1 minus S is equal to 1 minus 4, not our answer. S plus 1 is 4 plus 1, not our answer. So option 1 is your answer. A sum of rupees 50,250 is divided into two parts such that simple interest on first part for 7.5 years at 8 and 1/3% per annum is 5/2 times the simple interest on second part for 5 and 1/4 years at 8% per annum. What is the difference between two parts? Here sum is divided into two parts. Now simple interest on first part means for 1 year it is 25/3% of the principal. Then for 15/2 years it is 15/2 into 25/3% of the principal one. Now this is equal to 5/2 times the interest on second part. Interest on second part means for 1 year it is 8% of the principal. Then for 21/4 years it is 21/4 into 8% of the principal. Now cancel the terms. 3 goes 5 times in 15. 5/2 cancel. Percentage cancel. 4 goes 2 times in 8. Now remaining is equal to P1 by P2 is equal to 21 into 2 is 42 divided by 25. Now original sum is 50,250. In ratio sum is equal to 42 plus 25, 67. So 67 part, that is sum of principal is equal to 67 part, which is given as 50,250 in the question. Now 70 into 7 is equal to 490. So this is 502. So 67 goes 7 times in 502. Remaining is 490 plus 12 is 502 and 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 12 is equal to 33. So remaining is 33 means 67 goes 5 times in 335. Remaining is 0. So one part is 750. If one part is 750, we need difference between principal. Difference between principal means in ratio it is 42 minus 25. 17 is the difference. That is 17 part is the difference here. Now answer is equal to 17 part, which is equal to 17 into 750. 0 at the end. 7 into 5, 35 at. So 50 at the end. If you check the option, option 2 is your answer. 50 at the end. Here find the value of the given expression. 27x cube means 3x the whole cube. And 64y cube means 4y the whole cube. So this is like a cube minus b cube formula, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So this will become 3x minus 4y into 3x the whole square is equal to 9x square plus 4y the whole square is equal to 16y square plus 3x into 4y is equal to 12xy. So if you compare this one with the above expressions, here ax is equal to 3x. So a is equal to 3 here and by is equal to minus 4y. So b is equal to minus 4 here and cx square is equal to 9x square. So c is equal to 9 here and minus dy square is equal to plus 16y square. So d should be minus 16. Minus 16 into minus will become plus 16. So this will become plus 16y square. So you got ABCD value. Now apply the value. 4a means 4 into 3, 12. And b means minus 4. 3c is equal to 3 into 9, 27. 2d is equal to 2 into minus 16, minus 32. 12 plus 27 is 39. Minus 4 minus 32 is minus 36. So your answer is 3. Option 2 is your answer. Find the value of the given expression. Here we have cot theta in the denominator. So if you put the value of theta as 45, which is much easier. But here we have sin theta, sec theta and cosec theta are in the options. So don't put the value of theta as 45 because 2 sin theta, sec theta, that is 2 sin 45 and sec 45 will give you the same value. So try to put the value of theta as 30 degree. So cos raised to 4 theta means cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 the whole raised to 4 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole raised to 4 plus 2 sin square theta means 2 into 1 by 4 plus 3. Now in denominator you have cosec 30 is equal to sin 30 is 1 by 2 means cosec 30 is 2. And cot theta means cot 30 is equal to root 3. And you have 1 here. Now the same thing cosec 30 minus cot 30 root 3 plus 1 minus 2. Now this will become, in numerator you have root 3 raised to 4 means 3 square. 3 square is 9. So 9 by 2 raised to 4 means 9 by 16 minus 1 by 16 which is equal to 8 by 16. 8 by 16 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 plus 3. In denominator you have 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 minus 2. 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 is equal to 3 square minus root 3 square which is 9 minus 4 minus 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 9 minus 4 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So your answer is 1 if you put the value of theta as 30 degree. Now check the option. 1 by 2 into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is not your option. 2 into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is our answer. Option 2 is your answer. Sec 30 is equal to cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Now 2 into cosec 30 means sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is not our answer. Option 2 is our answer. Find the value following. Here first solve the exponent. 200 minus 146 is 54. 3 cube is 27. 54 by 27 is 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the exponent. Now 0.3 I can write it as 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 raised to minus 1 means 10 by 3. Option 1 is your answer. Find the value of the given expression. Here you have tan theta and cot theta in your denominator. So put the value of theta as 45 degree. That will be much easier. If you look at the option, sin 45 and cos 45 are equal, but here this is 2 cos theta. cot 45 and tan 45 are equal, but here this is 2 tan theta. So no issues. You can put the value of theta as 45 degree. Here minus sin 45 and plus cos 45 cancel. 1 minus cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and sec 45 is equal to root 2. So this is root 2 cube. And here sin 45 is 1 by root 2 means cosec 45 is equal to root 2. So this is root 2 square. Now sec 45 is equal to root 2 and tan 45 is 1. Here tan theta plus cot theta means 1 plus 1 2. So this will become, in numerator you have root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 into root 2 raised to 5. So this is equal to root 2 into root 2 raised to 4 divided by root 2 minus 1 into 2. Here root 2 minus 1 cancel, root 2 cancel, root 2 raised to 4 means 2 square, which is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So your answer is 2 when you put the value of theta as 45 in this expression. Check with the option. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. 2 cos 45 means 2 into 1 by root 2. Cot 45 is equal to 1 and 2 tan 45 means 2 into 1. So option 4 is your answer. Find the value following. Here 9 plus 81 90 degrees, 71 plus 19 is 90 degree, 15 plus 75 is 90 degree. So here you have theta 1 plus theta 2 as 90 degree. Then you can write sin theta 1 as cos theta 2. So apply the concept here. Here either you can write first and second bracket in terms of sine and cosec, then that will cancel each other, or you can write first and second bracket in terms of cos and sec, that will also cancel each other. Here cos 9 means sine 81. 81 plus 9 is 90 degree. Sec 9 means cosec 81. 81 plus 9 is 90 degree. And cosec square 71 means sec square 71 plus 19 is 90 degree. And cos square 15 means sine square 75. 75 plus 15 is 90 degree. Now this terms will become sin 81 plus sin 81 is equal to 2 sin 81 into, here cosec 81 plus cosec 81 is equal to 2 cosec 81 divided by sec square 19 minus tan square 19 is 1 plus sin square 75 plus cos square 75 is 1. Here cosec 81 is equal to 1 by sin 81. So cosec 81 and sin 81 cancel. 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So option 4 is your answer. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. In triangle ABC, angle A is 50 degree. BE and CF are perpendiculars on AC and AB at E and F respectively. BE and CF intersect at H. The bisectors of angle HBC and angle HCB intersect at P. Angle BPC is equal to. Here consider this as triangle ABC. Now BE and CF are perpendiculars on AC and AB. This is AC and this is AB. So this is BE and this is CF. Now these two are perpendiculars, which means this angle is 90 degree. And these two intersect at H. So this is point H. Now bisectors of angle HBC and HCB. So this is HBC and this is HCB. So draw bisectors of these two angles. Bisector means here if this is the bisector, these two angles are equal. If this is the bisector, these two angles are equal. So consider this as Y, then this is also Y. If this is Z, this is also Z. Now these two bisectors intersect at P. So this point is P. Now we have to find what is angle BPC. This is angle BPC. This angle. Consider it as X. Now angle A is given as 50 degree. Now if you take this quadrilateral, this first quadrilateral, then you can see this is 90 plus 90, 180. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360. So if these two 180 means these two should be 180. Sum of these two should be 180. Here this angle is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. If this is 130, this is opposite angle, so this is also 130 degree. Now, if you consider this triangle CHB, then 2y plus 2z plus 130 should be 180 degree, which means 2 into y plus z is 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50 degree. Then y plus z is 25. If y plus z is 25, then x is equal to, if you consider this triangle, that is CPB, then from the sum of three angles is 180, means here x is equal to 180 minus y plus z. So x is 180 minus 25, which is equal to 155 degree. Option 1 is your answer. What is the value of root of b minus a? Here, to get the value of under root 26 minus 7 root 3, we should write this 26 minus 7 root 3 as a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square contains 2ab. But here, this 7 root 3 is an odd number. So, we should make it even. Then I can take 2 outside from it. That is, here, multiply 26 minus 7 root 3 with 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Now this will become 52 minus 2 into 7 root 3 divided by 2. Now here this is like 2ab. This is like 2ab. AB means 7 root 3. AB is equal to 7 root 3. AB is 7 root 3 means I can write it as 7 minus, here this is minus, 7 minus root 3 the whole square. This is equal to 7 square is 49, root 3 square is 3. So 49 plus 3 is 52 here. 2 into 7 into root 3 is here. So this whole term will become 7 minus root 3 divided by root 2 the whole square. Root 2 square is equal to 2 here. Now under root 26 minus 7 root 3 means 7 minus root 3 by root 2. Same way, here 14 plus 5 root 3, this 5 is also odd. So, multiply it with 2 by 2. Now, this will become 14 into 2 is 28 plus 2 into 5 root 3 divided by 2. Now, you can see this is like 2ab. So, ab is equal to 5 root 3 means I can write it as 5 plus root 3 the whole square. 5 plus root 3 the whole square is equal to 5 square is 25, root 3 square is 3. 25 plus 3 is equal to 28 here. 2 into 5 root 3 is here. So write it as, write the whole term as 5 plus root 3 divided by root 2 the whole square. Root 2 square is equal to 2. Now under root 14 plus 5 root 3 is equal to 5 plus root 3 by root 2. Now here LHS of this term will become 7 minus root 3 by root 2 and denominator will become 5 plus root 3 by root 2. Root 2 will cancel each other. So this will become 7 minus root 3 divided by 5 plus root 3. Now multiply both numerator and denominator with 5 minus root 3. So in denominator you have 5 square minus root 3 square, which is equal to 25 minus 3, which is 22, and now 7 into 5 is 35 and minus root 3 into minus root 3 is equal to 3. So 35 plus 3 is 38, and here you have minus 5 root 3 and minus 7 root 3. So total minus 12 root 3. Now if you cancel it with 2, this will become 19 minus 6 root 3 divided by 11. Now if you compare it with RHS value, here B is equal to 19 and A root 3 is equal to minus 6 root 3, which means A is equal to minus 6, and we got B value and A value. Then root of B minus A means B is equal to 19 and A is equal to minus 6. So this will become root 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. Root 25 is equal to 5. So option 1 is your answer. Here two pie charts are given. Number of students who passed from Institute C exceeds the number of students who appeared from Institute E is X. The value of X lies between. Here consider number of students passed from C as CP and students appeared from E as EA. Now CP exceeds means CP is greater here. CP exceeds EA by X means EA plus X is equal to CP. CP is more here. First pie chart shows students appeared and second pie chart shows students passed. So find EA from the first pie charts. Here E represent 40 degree. So EA is equal to, this is 40 degree out of total 360 degree and total number of students appeared is 1800. 180 goes 2 times in 360, 2 goes 20 times in 40. 20 into 10 is 200. And students passed from C. Here C represent 18%. So 18% of total students passed is equal to 1200. Percentage and 00 cancel. 18 into 12 means 180 plus 36, 216. Here this is in percentage. So 18 by 100 of 1200 is the percentage. Now X is equal to CP minus EA, which is 216 minus 200, that is 60. So check in the option. Here 18 plus 22 is 40. X is between. We have to find the range of X. That is X lies between. Here 18 plus 22 is 40. 40 by 2 is equal to 20. Not our answer. 14 plus 18 is equal to 32. 32 by 2 will give you 16. Option 2 is our answer. This is 24 by 2, 12. And this is 48 by 2, 24. So option 3 for eliminator. So here X lies between 14 and 18. Here theta lies in the first quadrant, then find the value following. Try to put the value of theta as 30 degree first. Sin square 30 is 1 by 4, cos square 30 is equal to 3 by 4 minus 3 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now 1 by 4 in the numerator means denominator should be 1 by 4 because RHS is 1. But root 3 in the denominator means this is not possible. Just by looking at the denominator, you can see this is not possible. So try to put the value of theta as 45 degree. Sin square 45 1 by 2, cos square 45 1 by 2 and 3 into cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Again 1 by root 2 in the denominator. If you look at it, this is not also possible. So put the value of theta as 60 degree here. Sin square 60 is equal to 3 by 4, cos square 60 is equal to 1 by 4 and 3 into cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So this will become 3 by 2. Now you can see no root 3. So check it. Numerator is 3 by 4 and denominator 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 means 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Minus 10 by 8 is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 2. Now 4 into 2 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 by 4 in the denominator means 3 by 4 by 3 by 4 is 1. So this is correct. When you put the value of theta as 60 degree, equation balanced. So put the value of theta as 60 degree. Then theta by 2 will become 30 and theta becomes 60. Theta becomes 60 here. So tan square 30 means tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Then tan square 30 is equal to 1 by 3. Sin square 30 is equal to 1 by 4 divided by tan 60 is equal to root 3 plus sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now this is equal to 4 plus 3, 7, 7 by 12. 7 by 12 into 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3. And here you have 2. 2 goes 6 times in 12. So 7 by 18 root 3 means if you multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3, you will get 7 root 3 divided by 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 3, 54. Option 4 is your answer. Here two pie charts are shown. Number of students who appeared from Institute B is what percentage more than total number of students who passed from Institute A and C. Consider number of students who appeared from B as BA and total number of passed students from A plus C as A plus C. Pie chart 1 shows students who appeared in the examination and pie chart 2 shows students who passed the exam. So from first pie chart we can find BA value. Here BA from phi chart 1 is equal to, here B is equal to 112. 112 degree. So this 112 degree is out of this total 360 degree into total number of students who appeared is equal to 1800, which is equal to 180 goes 2 times in 360, 2 goes 56 times in 112. So 56 into 10 is equal to 560. So BA is equal to 560 and A plus C is equal to, here from second pie chart, A plus C is equal to 18 plus 22, 40%. So A plus C is equal to 40% of total number of students passed as 1200. 00% cancel. 40 into 12 is equal to 480. Here difference between 560 and 480 is equal to 80. If you convert it into percentage, 80 goes 6 times in 480. 1 by 6 means option 1 is your answer. That is, this is equal to 100 by 6 is equal to 50 by 3. 50 by 3 is equal to 16 and 2 by 3%. Three sides of a triangle are given. What is the area of the triangle? Here, put the value of A and B as 1 and find the sides of this triangle. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 2. So first side is root 2. 2 square plus 1 square is 4 plus 1, 5. So second side is root 5. 1 square plus 2 square is 1 plus 4, 5. So third side is also root 5. Two sides are equal means this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now altitude of this isosceles triangle divides the base into two equal parts. And this is 90 degree. Base here is equal to root 2. So half the base means root 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Now we can find height from this. That is, here area of triangle here is equal to half BH. Half into base length is root 2 into h here is equal to root of root 5 square minus 1 by root 2 square, which is equal to root 2 goes root 2 times in 2. So this will become 1 by root 2 into root 5 square is equal to 5 and 1 by root 2 square is equal to 1 by 2. So root 5 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by root 2 into 9 by 2. Root 9 by 2 is equal to 3 by root 2. So which is equal to 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2 AB. Here AB is 1. So if you look for the option 4 is your answer. Here AB is 1. Here find the value of B minus A. To find the value of under root 38 minus 5 root 3, consider 38 minus 5 root 3 as A minus B the whole square. Here A minus B the whole square contains 2AB. But here 5 root 3 is an odd number. So make it even to get the value of 2AB. Here to make it even, multiply 38 minus 5 root 3 with 2 by 2. This will become 38 into 2 is 76 minus 2 into 5 root 3 divided by 2. Now this is in the form of 2AB. So 5 root 3 is AB here. Here 76 is larger number. So take A as 5 root 3 and B as 1. So this will become 5 root 3 minus 1 the whole square. 5 root 3 square is equal to 25 into 3 75. 75 plus 1 square is 76 is here. And 2 into 5 root 3 into minus 1 is minus 2 into 5 root 3. Divided by 2 means take 5 root 3 minus 1 by root 2 the whole square as this time. Now under root 38 minus 5 root 3 means 5 root 3 minus 1 by root 2. 5 root 3 minus 1 by root 2. So this is the numerator. In denominator you have under root 26 plus 7 root 3. So take it as A plus B the whole square. 26 plus 7 root 3. Here 7 is also odd number. So make it even. So multiply it with 2 by 2. 26 into 2 is equal to 52 plus 2 into 7 root 3 divided by 2. So 7 root 3 is AB here. Now I can write it as 7 plus root 3 by root 2 the whole square. That is root 2 square is 2 here and 7 square is 49. Root 3 square is equal to 3. So 49 plus 3 is equal to 52 here. 2 into 7 root 3 is here. Now under root 26 plus 7 root 3 means 7 plus root 3 divided by root 2. Now this will become root 2 cancel. 5 root 3 minus 1 divided by 7 plus root 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator with 7 minus root 3. Now this will become, in denominator you have 7 square minus root 3 square, which is equal to 49 minus 3, 46. And here 5 root 3 into minus root 3 is equal to minus 15, and minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. So minus 15 minus 7 is equal to minus 22. Again 5 root 3 into 7 is 35 root 3, and minus 1 into minus root 3 is plus root 3. So 35 root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 36 root 3. Now if you divide it with 2, this will become 23 in denominator, and here you have minus 11 plus 18 root 3. If you compare this with RHS term, here b root 3 is equal to 18 root 3, which means b here is equal to 18 and a here is equal to minus 11. A here is equal to minus 11. So b minus a will become, b is 18 and a is minus 11. 18 plus 11 is equal to 29 is your answer. Option 3 is your answer. In an examination, number of students who passed and number of students who failed were in the ratio 25:4. If one more student had appeared and passed and number of failed students was 3 less than earlier, ratio of passed students to failed students would have become 22:3. What is the difference between number of students who initially passed the examination and number of students who failed the examination? So we actually need initial difference between passed and failed students. Here initial ratio of passed and failed students is 25:4, which means initial difference between passed and failed is equal to 25 minus 4, 21, which means your answer should be a multiple of 21. So check for multiple of 21 in the option. Here instead of multiple of 21, check for multiple of 7 in the option. When a number is divisible by 21, it should be divisible by both 7 and 3. 7 goes one time in 13, remaining 62. So 62 is not a multiple of 7. 7 goes one time in 12, remaining 56. 56 is a multiple of 7. 7 goes two times in 14, remaining 34. 34 is not a multiple of 7. 7 goes two times in 15, remaining 10. 10 is not a multiple of 7. So option 2 is your answer. Just by option verification, you got your answer. Initially, ratio of passed and failed students was 25:4. Finally, ratio of passed and failed students became 22:3. I can write it as 25x and 4x and 22y and 3y. Now difference between passed and failed students initially 25x minus 4x, which is 21x. So this is our answer. And you can also form equations. That is, when one more students appeared, number of failed students was 3 less than the earlier, which means difference between initial and final failed students is 3. That is 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y here is 3. Same way, here difference between passed students initially and finally means one more student added and he passed, and number of failed students is 3 less, which means 3 plus 1, 4 is the difference between passed students finally and initially. So you can form equations with these two datas. What is the area of the triangle enclosed by the graph 2x plus 5y is 12 and x plus y is 3 and the x-axis? Here there are two methods to solve this question. First one is short tricks. Here two graphs and x-axis. On x-axis y is equal to 0. So put y is equal to 0 in both the equation and find the x components. Here if y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 12. 2x is 12 means x is equal to 6 here. And in the second equation, y equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. Now draw the graph. Here, if x is equal to 6 on x-axis, then y component is 0. And x is equal to 3 on x-axis, y component is 0. So we got base in x-axis, and base length is equal to 6 minus 3, 3 unit. And intersection of these 2 points will give you the third point of this triangle. So to get the intersection point, find the values of x and y from these two equations. So at intersection, find the value of x and y. Here 2 into 1 plus 5 into 2 is equal to 12. So x is 1 and y is 2. Check the second equation. If x is 1 and y is 2, 1 plus 2 will give you 3. That is correct, which means here x is 1 and y is 2. So intersection points are 1 and 2. On x-axis it is 1 and y-axis it is 2. So intersection point means this should be the point. So intersection of these 2 points is this one, 1, 2. Draw the triangle. So this is the triangle. Now you can see here height of this triangle is y length, which is 2 unit. Then area of this triangle. Area of this triangle is equal to half page. That is half into base length is 3 into h is equal to 2. Which means 3 unit is the area. Option 3 is your answer. Now if you want regular method, equation of a line is equal to x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So write this two equations in this form. Here 12 by 12 will give you 1. So divide all the terms with 12. Which means here 2 goes 6 times in 12. And here if you remove this 5 from numerator, then denominator will be 12 by 5. Which means here x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 12 by 5 from equation 1. Then from equation 2, 3 by 3 is 1. Then divide the whole equation with 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 from equation 2. Now if you draw graph, here from equation 1 x is 6 and y is 12 by 5. 12 by 5 means 2.5, 2.4. So y is equal to 2.4. So this is the line. And from the equation 2, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. X is 3 and y is 3. So this is the line. That is, this is 6, 0. This is 3, 0. This is 0, 3. And this is 0, 2.4. Now this is the intersection point, which is 1, 2. We get from intersection of this two lines. Now you can see here height is equal to h, which is 2, and base length is equal to 3 unit. So area is equal to half ph. In triangle PQR, bisector of R meets side PQ at S. PR is 10, RQ is 14 and PQ is 12. What is the length of SQ? Here consider this as triangle PQR. Now bisector of R meets PQ at S. So this is the bisector of R which meets PQ at S. Now bisector means these two angles are equal. And PR is 10, RQ is 14 and PQ is 12. So this whole length is 12. If I take SQ as A, PS should be 12 minus A. Now this is angle bisector means by angle bisector theorem, A by 12 minus A divided by 12 minus A is in the same ratio of, here this is A. So take the side nearest to this angle, 14 divided by 10. 14 divided by 10. If A is in the numerator, then 14 should be in the numerator. So A divided by 12 minus A should be in the same ratio, 14 divided by 10. Now from this 2 goes 7 times in 14, 5 times in 10. So A is equal to 7 means 12 minus A is equal to 5. 12 minus 7 will give you 5. So which means here A is equal to 7. Length of A, that is length of SQ, is equal to 7. Option 3 is your answer. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, x not equal to 0, then value of x raised to 7 plus 1 by x raised to 7 is. Here x raised to 7 means 3 plus 4 is 7. So I can write it as x cube plus 1 by x cube into x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4 is equal to x cube into x raised to 4 is x raised to 7 plus x cube into 1 by x raised to 4 is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x cube into x raised to 4 is equal to x plus 1 by x cube into 1 by x raised to 4 is equal to 1 by x raised to 7. Now you can see here x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now we will get x raised to 7 plus 1 by x raised to 7 if you solve this. That is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to k, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k square minus 2 and x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to k cube minus 3k. Here k is equal to 3 here. That is, from this x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k square means 3 square. So 3 square minus 2, which is equal to 9 minus 2 is 7. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube means k cube. That is 3 cube minus 3 into 3. And x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4 means take 7 square minus 2, which is equal to x raised to 7 plus 1 by x raised to 7 into x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then from this we can find x raised to 7 plus 1 by x raised to 7 as 3 cube minus 9 is equal to 27 minus 9, 18 into 7 square minus 2 is equal to 49 minus 2, 47 minus 3. Now if you check for unit digit, 8 into 7, 56. So unit digit is 6 here. 6 minus 3 will give you unit digit as 3 here. So check for unit digit 3. Here option 2 is your answer. That is 843 is your answer. In equilateral triangle ABC, D and E are points on side AB and AC respectively such that AD equal to CE. BE and CD intersect at F. The measure of angle CFB is. Here this is equilateral triangle ABC. Now D and D are points on AB and AC. This is AB and this is AC. So this is point D and this is point E. Both intersect at point F. Now we have to find angle CFB. This is angle CFB. Here AD is given as CE. Now in equilateral triangle all the three angles are equal. That is 60 degree. And all the three sides are also equal. If this is side A, other two sides are also A. Now AD is given as CE. AD equal to CE. Now if you look at this is AD and this is side A. Angle between these two sides is equal to 60 degree. Same way, this is side CE and this is side A. Angle between these two is 60 degree, which means these two triangles are congruent triangles. That is, two sides are equal and angle between them is also equal in these two triangles, which means both are congruent triangles. That is, side AD and AC is equal to side CE and CB and angle between them is also equal. So form congruent triangle. First start with AD. Other side should be AC. So third point should be C here. So triangle ADC is congruent to triangle. First start with CA. Then other side should be CB. So end with B. Third point should be B. So triangle ADC congruent to triangle CAB. ADC congruent to triangle CAB. Now AD equal to CE and AC equal to CB. AC equal to CB means both are A, sides of equilateral triangle. And angle between AD and AC is equal to angle between CE and CB. Both are 60 degree. So these two triangles are congruent triangles, means all the three sides are equal and all the three angles are equal in these two triangles. Now apply the property. If I take this angle as theta, then this angle is also theta. That is, here theta here means in triangle ADC, angle ACD is theta. Angle ACD is theta. ACD. Then in triangle CEB, CBE should be theta. Angle CBE should be theta. Angle CBE means theta. Now, if this is theta, this side is equal to 60 minus theta. Total angle is 60 degree. 60 minus theta. Now, in triangle CFB, we got two angles. Then third angle should be 180 minus sum of these two. So sum of 60 minus theta and theta is equal to 60. Then 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 is angle CFB. So option 1 is your answer. The volume of right circular cone is 308 cm cube and radius of its base is 7 cm. What is the curved surface area of the cone? Here, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, here r square is 7 square into h, which is given as 308 cm cube. Now, 7 cancel, 22 into 7 is equal to 154. 154 goes 2 times in 308. Now, h here is equal to 2 into 3, 6. So, if h is 6, here this is cone and this is height of the cone. Now, radius of this base is equal to 7. So, from this we can find slant height L. So here slant height L is equal to root of h square plus 7 square. H square is equal to 6 square. 6 square plus 7 square. 36 plus 49 means 85. So this is root 85. Then from this, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi rl, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r is equal to 7 into root 85, which is 22 root 85. Option 3 is your answer.